Ever felt like money is a mysterious force that some people just seem to master effortlessly? Imagine if you could turn each dollar into 2 or even 3. Sounds like wizardry, doesn't it? But it's far from it. This isn't just about people with a magical knack for managing finances. It's not a game of luck or a birthright of wealth. It's about honing a skill, a proficiency in money management. Just like any other skill, it develops with practice, informed decisions, and learning from past experiences. Believe it or not, money can be comprehended, tamed, and multiplied. So buckle up, as we're about to unveil the 20 rules of money that could radically transform your life. Firstly, understand that managing money is a skill. Just as you would learn to play an instrument or master a sport, managing your finances requires practice and patience. As you navigate through life's financial decisions, remember, every experience is an opportunity to learn and grow. Let's talk about cultivating a happy money attitude. Money, my friends, is not the enemy. It's a tool that can help us achieve our dreams and bring joy and comfort into our lives. Next, double your money quickly. This is where strategic planning comes into play. Look beyond quick gains and explore the world of investments. Remember, slow and steady often wins the race. Number 4, make money like magic. But remember, magic requires a well-thought-out plan. Your money responds positively to strategic and thoughtful planning. Lastly, time your money moves. Understanding market trends and exercising patience can significantly impact your financial success. Money loves a positive and strategic mind. Next, ensure your money is working for you continuously, much like an industrious employee. This is achieved through intelligent investments, enabling your wealth to expand and multiply. Moving on to Rule 7, the safety net. It represents an emergency fund, your financial cushion for unforeseen expenditures. Preparedness for life's uncertainties is key. Rule 8 emphasizes prudent spending, distinguishing between necessities and desires. Focus on essentials to prevent draining your finances on non-essentials. Stay informed on tax implications. This knowledge can strategically shape your financial activities to lessen tax burdens. In essence, make your money work smarter, not harder. Finally, stay resilient during challenging times. Financial turbulence is inevitable, but instead of giving into fear, search for opportunities. It's about demonstrating resilience, recognizing that adversity often leads to success. It does not rely on the quantum of wealth you own, but the manner in which you utilize it. Always stay informed. The world of finance is dynamic, forever changing with political and economic developments. Staying updated isn't just about reading the news, it's about understanding how these changes impact your financial plans and adjusting accordingly. Rule 12, learn from the masters. Successful investors have honed their strategies through years of experience, and you can leverage that wisdom. Analyze their moves, dissect their decisions, and incorporate their insights into your own investment approach. Rule 13, set clear financial goals. Your aspirations, risk tolerance, and timeline should dictate these goals. Remember, your financial plan should be as unique as you are. Rule 14, don't just meet your goals, beat them. Strive for continuous improvement, focus on exceeding your own benchmarks rather than simply keeping up with others. Surround yourself with accomplished individuals. Their experiences, their knowledge, their networks, these are invaluable resources. To be the best, learn from the best. Focus on making money intelligently. It's not about how many pies you have your fingers in, but the quality of those pies. Prioritize activities that yield long-term financial success over instant gratification. Rule 17 brings us to loans and credit. Use them as tools for growth, not anchors that sink you in debt. Be strategic, maximizing gains while minimizing risks. Rule 18 is all about positioning. It's about placing yourself in environments that foster success, that align with your goals, and provide opportunities for growth. Build win-win partnerships. The best business relationships are those where both parties thrive. Collaborate, innovate, and create scenarios that are beneficial for all involved. Finally, Rule 20, handle big money right. When substantial sums come your way, don't let the dazzle blind you. Consider the long-term implications and plan for sustained growth rather than short-term gains. Big or small, every money decision counts. And there you have it. The rules of money you need to master to become rich. These aren't just tips, they're the foundation of financial success. They guide you in developing a prosperous mindset, making informed decisions, and crafting a strategic plan for your financial journey. They enable you to become resilient in hard times, to keep educating yourself, and to align your actions with your financial objectives. Master these rules, and you're on the path to financial prosperity. The road to banking billions starts here. We would love to hear from you. Don't forget to smash the like button, share it with your family, and subscribe for more money tips. Until we meet again, keep stacking those billions, and as always, thanks for watching.